Welcome to our video, which lists the top 10 methods for selling digital goods and earning money. The demand for digital items like e-books, courses, and templates has skyrocketed in the current digital era. Furthermore, it's now simpler than ever to make and market these goods to a wide customer base thanks to the growth of internet platforms and e-commerce. Selling digital products not only allows you to tap into a global market, but it also offers scalability and passive income potential. Selling digital goods may be a lucrative endeavor for anybody trying to make extra money, whether they are an entrepreneur, freelancer, or just seeking to make some extra cash. However, it might be difficult to know where to begin or which way to go with so many possibilities available. For this reason, we've put up a list of the top 10 methods for selling digital goods and earning money. These tried and true tactics have brought in large sums of money for several people and companies. Now settle down, make notes, and get ready to discover the top 10 strategies for making money off of your digital goods and converting your hobby into a career. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 1. Create and sell an ebook or digital guide. Making and offering an ebook or digital guide is one of the most well-liked methods to get revenue from the sale of digital goods. Whether you have a special tale to tell or are an authority in a certain area, publishing an ebook may be a profitable economic venture. Popular systems like Apple iBooks and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to self-publish your ebook. You may control your rates on these sites and retain a significant portion of the revenue. You may also sell your ebooks via other online ebook markets or on your own website. Number 2. Sell online courses. Experts and professionals now have a great opportunity to generate money by offering online courses, thanks to the growth of e-learning and distance education. Video lectures, webinars, and interactive tutorials are some of the formats in which online courses may be developed. You have two options: either teach a specific skill or choose a subject on which you are informed. You may create and market online courses to a worldwide audience using platforms such as Teachable, Skillshare, and Udemy. These platforms also take care of the payments and give your courses a following. Number 3. Offer digital downloads such as printable products. A well-liked strategy for profiting from the sale of digital goods is to provide printable downloads of calendars, planners, and artwork. These goods are inexpensive to produce and may be sold again without incurring extra expenses. With programs like Canva or Adobe Photoshop, you can create printable goods that you can sell on your website or on marketplaces like Etsy. To market your items to a larger audience, you may also work with influencers or bloggers. Number 4. Create and sell digital photography. Selling digital copies of your images is a great way to monetize your love for photography. You have two options for selling your photographs: either build a website to display and market your photographs, or sell them via stock photography services like Shutterstock, iStock, or Adobe Stock. Additionally, you can give your customers the choice to customize their images by adding a quote or altering them to suit their preferences. Number 5. Sell digital music and audio files. Another profitable approach to sell digital items is via the sale of audio files and digital music. Artists and musicians may produce digital copies of their albums, tracks, or audio files, which they can then market on websites such as Spotify, Google Play, or iTunes. Additionally, you may sell your music on your website or via online music distributors like TuneCore or DistroKid. Number 6. Create and sell mobile apps. The market for applications has expanded significantly in recent years, making the development and distribution of mobile apps a lucrative commercial endeavor. You may create fun or helpful applications and market them on stores like Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Your software may either have a one-time cost or allow in-app purchases for more functionality. Number 7. Sell digital graphics and templates. Selling digital graphics and templates is one way for graphic designers to earn money. These goods may consist of website templates, business card designs, social media postings, and logo designs. You may partner with other blogs and bloggers to reach a wider audience, sell these items directly on your website, or via online marketplaces like Creative Market or Template Monster. Number 8. Offer digital services. Offering digital services like site design, copywriting, social media management, or SEO is another option to generate income from the sale of digital goods. These services are perfect for marketing as digital goods as they may be provided remotely. You may sell your services to prospective customers by building a website or by providing these services on websites such as Fiverr and Upwork. Number 9. Sell video and animation templates. In recent years, marketers, content producers, and companies have come to favor video and animation templates. You may make and sell video and animation templates for usage in social media, marketing, and other contexts if you are an exceptional animator or video editor. These templates are available for sale on websites, VideoHive, and Envato Market. Number 10. Sell digital art and designs. Finally, if you're an artist, you may produce digital designs and artwork that you can sell. Digital paintings, drawings, and graphic designs are some examples of these items. You may set up an online business to sell your designs or sell your digital art on sites like Society6 and Redbubble. Additionally, you may work with companies or brands to develop unique digital designs for their goods or advertising campaigns. Conclusion. The opportunities for profiting from the sale of digital goods are almost endless. Now is the ideal moment to enter this profitable sector since digital distribution is so easy and online buying is becoming more and more popular. The possibilities for producing and marketing digital goods are almost limitless, ranging from software and digital art to ebooks and courses. The greatest thing is that you may generate passive revenue by selling your product an endless number of times once you've made it. Put in the time and energy to produce digital goods that are both high quality and in demand, and make use of social media and online marketplaces to expand your following and draw in customers. Don't be scared to try out a variety of product offerings and advertising techniques to see what suits you the best. To win back devoted clients, never forget to keep an eye on the market, adjust to shifting consumer wants, and never stop trying to provide great customer service. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.